this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Flydigi Vader for Pro to PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily set up and use your Vader for Pro in conjunction with a PC or laptop, regardless if you have Windows, Mac, and so on. The main connection method is going to be wireless, so you will be connecting it using the included receiver. If you look at the back of the controller, you will find all of the connection methods, and like I said before, this is the one that I recommend. You can use Bluetooth if you want, but I believe this introduces way too much latency. And finally, you will have this option here for a Nintendo Switch if you ever plan on playing on that console. So the main one for PC is either going to be the receiver or Bluetooth. If you are going to be using the receiver, plug it into any of the available USB ports. And now press the home button that you see here, right below the joystick. Once you press this button and the controller is set to the receiver mode with the receiver actually plugged into the PC, it will automatically connect the PC and the controller together. And now it is going to be ready to use. So once the controller has been detected and is in close proximity of the receiver, all of the inputs will be picked up and usable. You can open any game that has controller support. If it doesn't work, it could indicate that that specific game doesn't have controller support, so keep that in mind. And if you want to use Bluetooth, you just set the slider to the middle here, and then you press a specific combination of buttons to enable pairing mode. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.